most years. It's a really nice atmosphere. I think we'll probably wander down to the clock tower and then to Green Dragon Square. I think there's some films on, so.
We are here to have fun, have a look around and see how the Christmas is coming up. The rain will always come, but we know that the rain stops us from enjoying what we want to enjoy.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
We've not seen them before. We're students, so this is our first time seeing them.
Yeah. So where are you from? One at a time.
Manchester, Portsmouth, Birmingham, Kettering.
India.
We're going to go look around. The movie night.
Yeah, we're going to get hot chocolate. I'm going to get hot chocolate anyway.
This evening we are here to celebrate the light switch on for the Christmas, and we would like to extend and express our gratitude and appreciation to the Leicester City Council and the entire community and the locality of Leicester, because it's a great blessing to be here and to actually welcome a forthcoming warm Christmas.
To see the Christmas lights on, didn't we, girls?
Yeah.
We've had a really good time, haven't we?
Yeah.
It's very wet, but we're making memories, and that's all that matters.
Yeah.